In this video demonstration, you will learn how to transfer inventory from one location to another in CIIS. To transfer inventory, you will need to be on the Vaccine on Hand screen. From here, click the radio button corresponding to the vaccine you want to transfer. Next, click the Transfer button. You will be navigated to the Add Vaccine Inventory Transfer screen. Notice today's date will auto-populate. However, you can edit this field. Also notice the source inventory location, vaccine to be transferred, along with the lot number, expiration date, funding source, doses on hand, and container ID are read-only fields. The source location is the location that is sending the inventory. Note, the system will remind you that you must notify the VFC program of all transfers of publicly funded vaccine before the transfer occurs. Enter the destination inventory location. And enter the number of doses you want to transfer to that inventory location. Note, the quantity will be immediately decremented from the source inventory location and added to the destination inventory location when marked as received. The remaining fields are optional and can be used to track additional information about the inventory you are transferring. Definitions for each of these fields can be found by clicking on the blue Help icon. Once you have entered your information, click the Create button to save the record. You will be navigated back to the Vaccine Inventory on Hand screen. Let's look at the information for the transfer I just entered. Notice I previously had 9 doses of Hep A on hand. I transferred 4 doses, and I now show 5 doses on hand. Also notice the system will display this message link if you have any pending inventory transfers. You can either click on this link or on the Pending Inventory Transfers link to view your pending transfers. Notice you can view the transfer I just entered. The 4 doses of Hep A shows under the Pending Outgoing Inventory Transfers. If something happened and you did not transfer that inventory, you now have the option to delete the transfer before it has been received. If you delete the transfer, the system will automatically add those doses back to your inventory. By clicking on the Update button, you can update any of these optional fields if you choose. From this screen, you can also delete this transfer by clicking Cancel. You will return to the Vaccine Inventory Transfer screen. You can also use the screen to receive inventory that has been transferred from another location to your location. To do this, you would click on the Received button. The system would then ask you to enter the date you received the transfer, and then the system would automatically add these doses to your inventory. Notice at the bottom of this screen, you will also be able to print out the pending incoming and pending outgoing transfers reports. Let's look at the pending incoming transfers report. This report will open in a PDF format. You will be able to view the source location, the receiving location, the transaction date, vaccine, NDC, manufacturer, lot number, expiration date, funding source, container ID, equivalent cases, and transfer quantity. You can also view and print a pending outgoing transfers report. To return to the Vaccine Inventory On Hand screen, click on the On Hand link located within the left-hand menu. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the course.